Good evening. Sobrang init ba ng panahon? Gusto nyo bang palamigin natin parang aircon? Okay, just sit back and relax. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Nonoy Zuniga. Night after night, we sleep together, sharing lovely moments that spells forever. Day after day, our love gets stronger, growing every minute that we get closer. If we ever have to say goodbye and go on our separate ways, I never know how to get by on my own. After all the love and passion you have shown, I'll never say goodbye. There are no reasons why to show our love entwined. There is us, not you and I, and time will soon forget that you and I once met. As long as deep inside it's love and never pride, and we will never say, ever say goodbye. You want more? I want more. You want more? Oops! May bayad na ang kasunod. Joke lang.